Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the data cleaning option in Google Sheets. I have a data file here that is pretty large and it includes a lot of information. Specifically, it includes the graduation rates of all high schools in the state of Georgia in the year 2023. Of course, this data file may need a lot of cleaning, but one very quick procedure that we can use is the data cleaning feature that is built into Google Sheets. So if I click on the data menu, I can see that there is a data cleanup feature which can quickly identify some of the issues with the data. So I'm going to select cleanup suggestions, and as you can see on the right side in this panel, we have a series of cleanup suggestions that Google Sheets has automatically identified. For instance, it identified the fact that all systems may not be a location in the cell D684. So we already have, exclamation mark where the problems occur. And if we want to look for these cells, we can detect and check and see if this is indeed an error or not. We can see that the cell 684 was highlighted in red. In this case, this is not an error. This is because that particular row includes the graduation rate for all schools in all school systems. So it's the overall graduation rate for the entire state. So I'm going to leave that as it is. So it is also important to be very critical and not automatically accept all of the suggestions. This is actually a very important piece of information, so it needs to stay in the file. But next, in the next section, we have another set of data cleaning suggestions. For instance, we can see that in column E, which includes the high school names, a lot of the high school names have a space at the end. So this is important because if we want to do any further analysis and then aggregate data by school, then the same school, if it has a space at the end, may be considered a different school than the same name without a space at the end. So it's important to run these cleaning procedures. This is actually very helpful. So I am going to click trim all, and so Google Sheets would automatically remove those spaces at the end of the string variables. Again, I'm going to leave the one at D684 as is. So this is how to use the data cleaning procedures that are built into Google Sheets. Of course, the data file may need additional data cleaning procedure, but this is just a very quick option that we can use to get started.